Jai Hind students. So let me start with wishing you a happy new year, and may this year bring happiness, good health to each and everybody who is there with you and your family. Okay, so we will be starting a new chapter, that is Law and Social Justice, which is the last chapter of your civics. And the basic learning objective behind doing this chapter is we will understand what is law, we will understand why do we need law, and without it how there is a chaos in the society, and we will also understand what is social justice. So let us start. So in the beginning of the chapter, it is written that we all remember the story of a shirt of class 7, where we saw a chain of market, and that linked the producer of a cotton to the buyer of the shirt in the market. And we all know that buying and selling takes place at each and every step in the chain. And here many people are indirectly or directly involved in the production of the shirt, like the small farmer who produces the cotton, and the weavers of the road, or the workers in the garment exporting factory. And there are many times that people face exploitation or unfair, or there is an unfair situation in the market. And markets everywhere, they tend to be, they exploit few people, whether it is the workers or the consumers or anybody who is in between. So, to prevent or to protect people from such exploitation, the government makes laws, and these laws, they try to ensure that unfair practices are kept at the minimum. Now, if we talk about the problems of, if we talk about like you can see in the slide, the workers are paid less, or if there are children who are employed in dangerous work, like the factories where ammunitions are made, or firework is made. Then if you remember the Union Carbide tragedy of Bhopal, where safety measures were not there, a number of people lost their lives, or there are no sanitation facility, or if the girls are not allowed to attend the school. So these are basically the examples of the basic problems. Then this is a picture of the death toll in the Bhopal gas tragedy, and how a mother has lost his son, and the country has lost one prospect of a good future. People then they are forced to leave their homes in search of better employment, or in fear that again a gas tragedy would happen. This is basically talking about the Union Carbide factory. Then this is a list of the missing people of that time. So, and these are people who are having placards in their hand, and they want justice. Now, problems are many, we have all discussed this. So who is going to take care of these all? The individual, or the community, or the society, or the foreign company who has made or set up a factory here, or is it the government? So we all know that the government is the one who takes care of all these problems. So now we will understand what is a law. A law is there to provide safety to the customers or the producers, or to people who are suffering from any natural or man-made disaster. And the role of the government is to control the activities of the private companies or the society, and then it also helps to enforce and uphold the laws. So this is just the beginning of the chapter introduction. We will be dealing with the next things in the later modules. Till then, Jai Hind.